Hello students, I hope you all are well at home. Dear students, today we will learn Standard 6 Social Science, Chapter 4. Please open page number 36. The earliest cities, the Harappan civilization. We have studied in the previous chapter that man's journey had begun as a food gatherer and how he became a farmer. Farming gave him a settled life and people settled in small villages. All these villages grew along the banks of the rivers. The needs of the people increased because they tried to make their lives more comfortable. This led to the rise of many occupations and division of labor. The farmers and the craftsmen produced much more than what they required. This was essential for people to exchange their goods for other goods which they needed. Gradually, man realized that it was not easy to exchange goods, so he started looking for an alternative. Trading gave birth to currency, and that was the beginning of civilization. Trading of goods with money helped in all round development and progress. In this way, trade led to the growth of cities that were specialized in crafts and trade, while the villages prospered in agriculture. Growth of trade and cities led to the rise of civilization. Students, this is the map of ancient river valley civilizations of the world. Civilization. The word civilization means a developed state of human society. It refers to that stage in human evolution when they started thinking not only of satisfying their basic needs of food, shelter, and clothing, but something more than that also. Some of the main features of a civilization are surplus food production, specialization of crafts and occupation, growth of trade and cities, advancement in art, literature, and science, existence of law and order, religion with a broader outlook, and a welfare government. The earliest civilizations that cropped up were distinctly progressive and modern as compared to Neolithic settlements. The earliest civilization, some of the earliest civilizations were Chinese civilization on the bank of the river Huanghe, Egyptian civilization on the bank of the river Nile in Africa, Sumerian, Assyrian, Babylonian civilizations developed between fertile plains of the rivers Tigris and Euphrates. All evidences from above listed civilizations show that all the settlements developed on the bank of the river. The reasons for the development of civilizations along rivers were: 1. The many civilizations were supplied with abundant water supply from the nearby rivers. This brought them prosperity and overall development. Number 2. The river also facilitated transportation for man. 3. Agriculture was easily flourished in these regions due to the extremely fertile soil and ample water for irrigation. Okay students, thank you.